How to fix my Instagram account. If you are having trouble with your Instagram account, whether it's not logging in, crashing or acting weird, don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to fix your account fast. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more social media fixes. So let's get started. Number one step is to check the Instagram status. First, let's see if Instagram is down for everyone or just you. Visit downdetector.com, go to the Google app, tap onto the search bar and type Down Detector Instagram, just like this. Now from here you can simply check the status of the Instagram. If it is having the issues, all you can do is wait for it to be fixed. Next step is to restart and update. If there is no outage, try these quick fixes. Restart your phone. For that, keep on tapping on this home button, just like this, and tap on to restart. Next step is to update the Instagram. Now go to the App Store, then tap onto the search bar and type Instagram and search for it. Then tap onto this app, and if there is the update version right here, then you can simply update it. Sometimes an outdated app can cause login errors or glitches. Next step is to clear the cache. For that, open the Settings app, then tap onto General, just right here. Then tap onto iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the Instagram app, just right here. Select it. Now to clear the cache, tap onto Offload app right here. By offloading the app, the cache of the Instagram will be cleared. And if nothing works, reach out to Instagram support. Open the Instagram app, then go to Settings, just right here, then tap on to Help. Tap on it and you can simply report a problem from here. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps fixed your Instagram account. If it worked, drop a comment below. If not, let me know what's happening and I'll try to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.